Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingos. The last couple of days I have been sick in bed. And look what came in the mail today. I'm really excited about this. It is my package from Jesse James Beads. It sure was an uplifter. So a couple of weeks ago, I got an email from Jesse James Beads saying that there were some beads coming. And I don't really know anything else but that. So let's open this up and see what's in here. I wanted this to be a total surprise and see what I'm supposed to do with everything. Oh, looks like fall is in the... Oh, boo to you. How fun. Look at those. Okay, let me take these out of the packages and see if there's a little note in here telling me what I'm supposed to do with all this stuff. All right, the first thing that I've opened up is this Pantone Hot Fudge Strand of Beauties. They're calling this the Pantone 2324 Pearls Bead Strand in Hot Fudge-Brown. Aren't those yummy? I like all the bling. Lots of spacers. Those are really pretty. All right, this next thing is the JJB Enamel Link Chain in Hot Fudge-Brown. Now, it's probably coming across as black, but it definitely is not. It is a very, very dark brown. I love that this is silver. You know, you could just use this, put a clasp on it, and you got a necklace or bracelet. This next thing, they're calling it a Mega Bead Mix in Boo to You Orange. Oh, look at that ghost. Isn't he cute? You know, I love these little boxes, and you think, okay, a little box, not much. But look, there's always a ton in here. Now, like I said before, I've not been feeling too well. I've been in bed for the last couple of days, so I'm keeping my distance from everybody. So I am actually filming this in bed. Look how cool those are. Let me organize these and let's go through them. All right, here we go. I don't even know where to begin. I guess I'll begin down here. Look at these. You know, these are Halloween-y, but you could use them at Christmas too. Those are really pretty. This reminds me of a basketball. And then we have some crystal spacers. These are fun. Some little drops, nice and sparkly. We got some orange sparklies. Ooh, these are pretty. And we have plenty of beads to do stuff with. Those are cute. My sister would absolutely love them. She's a cat fan. We got bats, little pumpkin, ghost, and some more orange beads. I wonder if you could stack these. Oh, I don't know. I am going to have some fun creating with this, so stay tuned. Let's see if I can get all this back in here. So I took a little finagling, but I was able to get everything back in there and closed. Tell me, what is your favorite in this collection here? I really like that ghost, and these little squiggly things are fun too. Stay tuned for some more videos and what I do with all this fun stuff. And I'd like to thank Jesse James Beads for sending me all these fun things to create with. Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, signing out for now. Bye-bye.